Hello, you're watching the business headlines on HW News with me, Ali Azhar. India has a few well-known Parsi business dynasties such as the Tatas, Mistris, Wadias, Poonawallas and more. Among the better known ones is the 122-year-old Godrej Group, which have diverse business interests ranging from consumer goods company to an animal feed and agricultural business, and have even ventured into aerospace business. However, what they are most famous for is being Mumbai's biggest private landowner with vast tracts of land in the northeastern suburb of Vikhroli. The Godrej Group owns 3,400 acres of land in Mumbai, the country's most expensive property market. Over 3,000 acres of this land is in Vikhroli, with a total development potential of close to 1 lakh crore rupees or 1 trillion rupees. Of this, about 1,000 acres can be developed. Another 1,750 acres is covered with mangroves and will not be developed because of environmental concerns. And another 300 acres has been encroached upon. It is because of this very land that an inter-family dispute has developed between its members, which could lead to a restructuring of the family's land holdings. Group chairman Adi Godrej and his brother Nadir Godrej are on one side, while their cousins Jamshyd Godrej and Smitha Godrej form the other faction. The crux of the issue appears to be the concentration of the family's land holding in its unlisted holding company Godrej and Boyce, which is controlled by Jamshyd and Smitha faction, and its commercial exploitation by the group's listed arm Godrej Properties, which is managed by Adi and Nadir Godrej. The conflict may be as much a clash of business strategy as a difference of personalities. While the Adi and Nadir side of the family would like to develop the land through their listed entity Godrej Properties and have even publicly stated their intention of becoming one of the city's biggest real estate developers, the Jamshyd and Smitha side of the faction is believed to be against excessive development. The business empire is structured in such a way that the group companies from both sides have minority stakes in each other and have representation on each other's boards. And while there may be a disagreement between the two factions on the surface, a source close to the family was quoted as saying, "There is no visible public dispute. They attend board meetings and are very cordial towards each other." Both the groups, however, have hired the best legal minds to represent and advise them, with investment banker Nimesh Kampani and top corporate lawyer Zia Modi representing the Jamshyd and Smitha Godrej camp, while Cyril Shroff of Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas and Uday Kotak, the CEO of Kotak Mahindra Bank, helping the Adi and Nadir side of the family. We hope the disagreement can be resolved amicably, with no need for division of assets between the family members, such as those of Reliance or Bajaj group of companies. Finally, after many weeks of turmoil, some good news has at last emerged for the Anil Ambani-led Reliance Infrastructure. The firm on Wednesday has said that it bagged a 7,000 crore rupee Versova-Bandra Sea Link project contract from Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation or MSRTC in Mumbai. The Versova-Bandra Sea Link is a marquee project with a length of more than 17 kilometers, which is 3 times the length of the existing Bandra-Worli Sea Link of 5.6 kilometers. It is expected to cut down commute time of Mumbaikars from over 90 minutes to 10 minutes and would entail huge savings in fuel as well. The company, in a Bombay Stock Exchange filing, said that it was fully geared up to deliver the project in 60 months from the appointed date of June 24, 2019, as per the contract. Shares of the beleaguered company rose 25% intraday on the back of this news and ended 17.5% higher in yesterday's market. Reliance Infrastructure also announced that it had entered into a binding sale agreement with Singapore-based Cube Highways for sale of its 100% stake in the Delhi-Agra toll road for 3,600 crore rupees. The firm said it would use the entire sale proceeds to reduce its debt by over 25% and claimed that after this exercise, its debt would be less than 5,000 crore rupees. Reliance Infra is bouncing back after a tough week, which saw the company declare its biggest ever quarterly loss of 3,301 crore rupees for the quarter ended 31st March 2019. The firm also had its long-term issuer ratings downgraded to D for not cooperating when requested for information by India Ratings, a credit rating agency. This came after BSR & Company, an affiliate of KPMG, that are auditors to Reliance Infrastructure raised red flags over its financial result, as well as casted significant doubt over the company's ability to continue as a going concern. The noose around Nirav Modi's neck seems to be tightening even further, as 4 Swiss bank accounts of the scam-tainted diamond merchant and his sister Purvi Modi have been frozen by Swiss authorities as part of a money laundering probe conducted against them. Sources have confirmed that Nirav Modi's bank account in Switzerland has close to $37.5 million and his sister's account has approximately £2.7 million in deposits. The combined total of the deposits are 283.16 crore rupees, which have been frozen on the request of the Enforcement Directorate after the investigative agency informed Swiss authorities that money kept in the accounts are proceeds of crime of a bank fraud perpetrated by the duo. The ED said that an official request has been made under criminal provisions of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act or the PMLA Act, which has stringent provisions for prosecution against crimes. The ED along with the CBI have been investigating Nirav Modi and his uncle Mehul Choksi for the 13,400 crore rupee Punjab National Bank scam. The 48-year-old Nirav Modi, who was arrested on March 19th, sits in a London prison ever since, awaiting due process and a possible extradition back to India. He has been denied bail 4 times because he is deemed to be a flight risk, in spite of offering to put up a bond of £2 million, which is roughly 17.5 crore rupees. Thank you for watching HW News. This is me signing off. Have a great day.